Guys, we're trying a science experiment. If you want to try this at home, you'll need a little bit of water, you'll need a penny, and this is called a pipette or an eyedropper or a medicine dropper. If you don't have one of these handy because you don't have any medicine you take, you can also just use your finger and let it drop off the tip of your finger. Okay, so you can kind of get a little wet and let drops come right off the tip of your finger. Okay, so if you don't have a pipette, you can use just your finger. Folks that have a pipette, to use it, you squeeze the black part, you stick it in the water, you kind of release the black part, and water should come into the pipette. This is called drops on a penny. So before we do anything, I want you to think how many drops of water. A drop is just one little drop like that. How many drops of water do you think will fit on a penny? So that's called your hypothesis. That's how many you think will fit. And then when you start testing your hypothesis, that's your experiment. And any good experiment should be done more than once. So you may want to pause the video if you're doing this at home and you'll try it. And by trying it, you'll just take your dropper or your finger. You don't want to touch the penny with it, but you also don't want to be so far away that you splash. You want to get it about a centimeter, which is about a pinky width away, and you want to put a drop of water on your penny. And you want to make sure you count as you go. So I got 1. Then you keep doing it until the water spills off the penny. Once the water spills off the penny, that's the most amount of drops that will fit. I think if you haven't done this before, you're going to be surprised at the number. And it all has to do with the surface tension of water. Once you do it one time, dry your penny off, move it to another part of your paper towel, and try it again. Because any good experiment, you need to do more than once. And then what you do is you kind of take an average of what you got. So say the first time you got 10, and the next time you got 20. Well, your average would be 15. You add 10 and 20 and divide by 2 because you did it 2 times. So just have some fun dropping water on a penny and see how many drops of water you can fit on the head of a penny, and maybe it'll surprise you.